Before you make the decision to buy the Empower app, here are 12 essential things you need to know. This app has gained a lot of attention recently, but it's important to understand how it stacks up against the competition and if it truly fits your needs. Stick around to find out everything you need to consider before you download it. First, Empower is a finance management app designed to help you track your spending, set savings goals, and invest in automated portfolios. Unlike competitors like Mint, which focus more on budgeting, Empower's focus is on helping you grow your savings with minimal effort. It offers a simpler, more straightforward approach than many other financial tools out there. Next, let's talk about its interface. Empower features an intuitive design that makes managing your finances easy, even for beginners. The layout is simple, and all the necessary information is just a tap away. However, some users have mentioned that the app can be a bit too simplistic if you're looking for a more detailed financial breakdown, which apps like YNAB can provide. The third thing you should know is that Empower is completely free to use, at least at its basic level. The free version gives you access to most of the app's core features, including tracking spending and creating goals. However, there are premium features that can be unlocked for a monthly fee, such as personalized financial advice and automated investment strategies. Compared to competitors like Personal Capital, which charge for more in-depth advice, Empower gives you a good starting point without an immediate cost. The fourth thing to consider is Empower's investment features. It offers automated investment portfolios with no management fees, which is a major selling point. These portfolios are managed based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. But compared to dedicated investment apps like Betterment, Empower doesn't offer as much customization. If you're an experienced investor, you might prefer a platform with more options. The fifth point is its budgeting and expense tracking capabilities. Empower links directly to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even loans, so all your financial data is in one place. The app categorizes your spending automatically, giving you an overview of where your money is going. While it's not as advanced as apps like YNAB, it's certainly user-friendly and does the job for most people. Next, the app's savings goals feature is very useful. Empower allows you to set personalized savings targets, whether it's for a vacation or a new car. The app then helps you break down how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. It's a nice addition, but it lacks some of the granular control that apps like Capital offer, where you can set up multiple savings rules. The seventh thing to mention is Empower's credit score tracking. This is a great feature for anyone who wants to stay on top of their credit. However, while it offers a basic view of your score, it doesn't go into as much detail as apps like Credit Karma, which offer more comprehensive credit reports and monitoring. Next, Empower has a great customer service system with easy access to support directly within the app. This is something that's often overlooked, but when you need help, it can make a big difference. Competitors like Mint sometimes have slower response times, so Empower is definitely ahead in this regard. The ninth thing to consider is the app's security. Empower uses encryption and other security measures to protect your personal and financial information. While it's as secure as other finance apps, remember that no app is completely immune from hacks. It's always a good idea to enable two-factor authentication and stay on top of app updates. The 10th thing to think about is the lack of physical branches. Empower operates entirely online, which is fine for most users, but might be a downside if you prefer face-to-face interaction with financial advisors. Other apps like Personal Capital offer hybrid models, allowing you to meet with advisors in person, but this can come with additional fees. The 11th thing to know is the app's compatibility. Empower works seamlessly with most financial institutions and is available on both iOS and Android devices. But if you're looking for more niche features or integrations, you might find other apps like Pocket Guard or Tiller more customizable. Finally, Empower's community aspect is something that sets it apart. The app provides a platform where users can ask questions, share tips, and learn from others. It's a nice addition, but it doesn't replace professional financial advice, which might be what you need if you're serious about planning for retirement or other long-term goals. In conclusion,